If you write anything wrong inside the list, such as you forget quotes for a specific string inside this list, you will get a syntax error. As you can see here, we get syntax error, invalid syntax, because we forgot the quote of the second element B. Also, it is possible to nest lists or create lists containing other lists. Let's take an example for this. In this example, we have created 3 lists. The first list is called A, and it is made up of 3 items, A, B, and C. The second list also has 3 items, numbers from 1 to 3. And the third list is called X, and this list has only 2 elements. These 2 elements are the previous 2 lists, and we call this list in the shell, as you can see here clearly. As you can see here, the first element of list X that has index 0 is list A. You can get a specific element from a list inside the list called X. In this example, we have written that we want the second element with index 1 from the first element with index 0 in the list called X. This means we want the second element of the list A from inside the list X, which is B. That's all for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and understood it very well. If you need any help, don't hesitate to ask me questions and I'll answer you as soon as possible. I am here to help you all the time. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again next lesson.